Hi guys, welcome to another video. Now the first thing you need to do is to measure the button you are working with, be it the small button or the big button. Now once you've gotten the measurement you need to take it on your fabric. Once you're done doing that, just place your button over and see that everything is in place and in order. Now the next thing you need to do is to mark your guideline around this line. You need a guideline to follow if you are a beginner, and the guideline is about 0.2 inches. It's about 0.2 inches. Don't mind that I am using a marker. I am using a marker so you all can see what I am doing, but it's best to use your fabric chalk or fabric marker. Now I am going to follow this guideline and start laying my stitches. But before we do that, we need to cut from this line to this line. We need to cut it open. Now I will fold my fabric in half and I will make my cuts. Now once you have gotten your desired hole, you can put in your button and see how it fits. Now you can go on and thread your needle, single thread your needle or double thread your needle depending on how thick you want your stitches to be. But I double threaded mine, as you can see. Now we're going to start laying our stitches. Now put your needle through that guideline mark. And now I will just knot my thread. Cut off the excess. Put my needle through the guideline mark again, just very close to where it came out from before. Now make sure you take this thread, the thread from your needle, and take it over the needle like this. Let me do that again. Take this thread and take it up and over the needle. Now pull your needle. This is what we're going to be doing until we finish the sewing. Now when you want to pull this, make sure you do not pull it from here. You make sure you pull it from here so you have nice knots at the edges. Now take this thread and pull it like this. This is what I'm talking about. So you have your knot at the top right there. Now we're going to continue sewing. Take your needle through. Take this thread and go up and over the needle. Now pull your needle. This is very simple. Once you understand the art to this or science to it, it's as simple as ABC. Now I'll just continue laying this and keep doing this. Now whatever you do, make sure when you're trying to knot, bring your thread down like this so you have your knot at the opening of your buttonhole. Now I'll just continue laying the stitches all around.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't want to waste what's left.
Now when you sew and get to this cuffed part, you need to spread your stitches.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Now you can see how beautiful this is turning out, and you can see those beautiful knots. You can see how those knots are really making everything look really nice at the edges, as you can see. Now I'll just continue making my stitches, and I'll just keep doing what I have been doing. Now once you're done stitching, put your needle through your stitches like this. Make sure you do not cut your thread immediately. Put your needle through your stitches so as to have a nicer and neater finishing. Now you can now cut the thread. This will help to hide the thread. Now as you can see, you can't see the thread, and this is the back side. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next tutorial.